White Bull's Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing mini Smashburger sliders. This is going to be incredible. We're using yellow onions. We're going to saute them up. We're going to be using Milan spicy, give a little tang to it. We're going to be using a nice creamy yellow sharp cheddar, and we're going to be using 80/20 ground beef. So let's make these patties. We got our Traeger rolling at 350 with the cast plate in it. And we're gonna make some amazing smash burgers, so let's do the damn thing. Hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell, comment below, and let's get to it. Now you wanna slice these just like that, because you're gonna get those nice little string onions, just like that. Break them up. You can even half them. So we don't want them super stringy. About that size. So we're gonna saute these. So the Traeger's rolling at 350. And we're about to throw these onions on with a little bit of butter on the cast plate from the Ranger. If you don't have this, you could use whatever cast plate you want to use. You're gonna let these saute for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're gonna make these mini smash burgers and come back out here and get the smashing. Let's go. All right, so we got the onions on. We're gonna let them go for about 10 minutes. Let them saute at 350. And we're gonna go and make our little mini patties for these mini smash burgers. Let's go do that. We'll come out here and get the smashing. Let's go. We're gonna take our 80/20 ground beef. Gotta be 80/20, guys. Gotta be 80/20. Has to be. You want that fat on a smash burger. So we're just gonna quick form some really quick patties here with this pound or so of meat. And it's really gonna be super easy. Remember that these are also gonna get smashed, and you know, they gotta be relatively small. So break up your meat. Just a little, don't go nuts. And then put some to the side. We'll call it the mountain of meat. And start taking little tiny chunks and reforming them together. But don't press too hard. This is a common mistake with smash burgers. When people press too hard, you want to leave a little air pockets in there. Alright? Perfect. We're basically going for meatball size. Like a small meatball. Nothing insane. Because again, this is gonna get smashed, and you don't want it to be too big for the bun. You want it to be perfect. So again, I kind of use the cutting board to form together the patty, because again, you're not trying to push too hard and overform this. You want some air pockets in there. It's just kind of like loose Play-Doh, as you can see. Like, there's a good example of what I mean by air pocket. When that gets smashed, this is gonna fry in its own juice, and that is what makes a smash burger a smash burger. So we're gonna keep forming some patties here. And in case you're wondering, you do not season your smash burgers before they go on the grill. That is honestly my honest opinion. I'm sure some people will disagree, but I feel like the Maillard effect really has a chain reaction with the rub when you put the rub on and then you sear it with the rub, like fresh. So I'm gonna demonstrate to you exactly what I mean by that also. So stick with me on that. We're gonna finish up with these and I'll see you out there on the Traeger. It'll be time to take those onions off and get the smashing. Just so you know ahead of time, this is what we'll be seasoning it with, guys. White Bull's Barbecue, the rub for beef. It's the best, really. There's really not much else to say. It's the greatest thing that's happened to barbecue rubs and really seasonings in general. This is what I'll be putting on these smash burgers when it's fresh out there on the sear plate. Let's go. That's perfect. All right, if you're talking about perfectly sauteed onions, that's what you'd be talking about. That's where you want to take them off, put them to the side because they're going on top of these smash burgers for this simple masterpiece. Look at that. All right, so we got these patties ready to go, but first we need to toast these brioche buns. So we got the mini brioches on the cast plate, toasting them up. Let's take a look at that. Gotta toast your brioches. Put some butter on the pan, put them face down. Give them about 5 minutes. That's your result after about 5 minutes, toasting on the cast plate with butter. This is gonna be bomb. Let's go. Well, it's about 100 degrees outside here in Philly, and my camera was out overheating outside, so let me explain what's going on. About 90 seconds, 375-ish in the smoker, wherever you're cooking, 375 on the cast plate, 90 seconds down, season the raw side, flip it, 90 seconds down, put the cheese as soon as you flip it. We're gonna go check right now. They should be about done. We're gonna pull them off and put them on these beautiful rolls. Let's go. Is this thing on? Did y'all just eat those burgers? Trust me, I know that you nailed this one. This was a great cook. Super easy, super simple, super delicious. Who doesn't like a good smash burger, especially in a smaller, compact size where you can feel a little less guilty about it? I know that I'm good for housing at least 3 of them. I hope you guys enjoy them with your family. I hope you had a great time watching. As always, hit that bell, and I'll see you next time. You already know the vibes.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.